Hi guys, thank you all for clicking on this video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm making this donut recipe. Yes, if you are looking for something best to substitute bread, then this donut recipe is best for you, okay? And so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video, and please do wait to turn on the post notification bell as well and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'll be needing my all-purpose flour. You can also use plain flour if you want. To that, I'm going to add in my sugar and salt to taste. I'll also need my instant yeast. You can use activate yeast if you want. It works perfectly fine. And I'll also go in with some 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 egg, add in half cup of water, mix very well until a dough begins to form. Next, we're going to knead the dough for about 15 to 20 minutes for the dough to become very soft and very fluffy. So I will sprinkle a little flour on my working surface, then I will knead the dough for about 10 to 20 minutes for it to become very soft. And if you have a mixer, go ahead and use it for your work to become very easy for you, okay? And so now, after kneading the dough for about 20 minutes, this is how it looks like. At this point, you could see that the dough has become very stretchy, very soft and very fluffy. So that is how we want the consistency to be. And also, to make sure that you have the perfect dough, I'm going to press it just the way I am doing it to make sure that the dough bounces back to me. That indicates that you have a very nice and perfect dough. So I'm going to allow this to rest for about 30 minutes to double in size very well. So in a bowl, I've sprinkled a little bit of oil and I'm going to brush it through the bowl to make sure that when the dough doubles in size, the dough won't stick to the bowl. Alright, so now cover the dough for it to double in size for about 30 to 1 hour. Alright, so after extra 30 more minutes, the dough has doubled in size very well. Look how beautiful it looks right now. So this is the fun part. I'm going to punch it just to release the air a little bit. Then I'm going to knead this for extra 5 more minutes to make it more soft, okay? You can as well omit this process if you don't want to stress yourself with any kneading process again, okay? So now I'm going to cut the dough into the sizes that I prefer. I'm not going to measure them because I'm just enjoying this at home. If you're making this for business purposes, then I will advise you to measure them to get the accurate measurement, or you get the perfect balls that you're looking for, okay? So now I'm going to fold the dough into one direction just the way I am doing it. Then I will rub it on my working surface to make the sealing process or the sealing very tight, okay? Now, after getting the desired balls that you're looking for, I'm going to use a bottle lid to create my hole. If you have a donut cutter, feel free to use it. All right, now look how beautiful I was able to cut this without using a donut cutter. You can as well use any round object that you can use to create this beautiful hole. All right, so next I'm going to sprinkle flour on this tissue papers. You can also use parchment paper if you want. Place your dough on it and allow it to rest for about 30 to 1 hour, and after 1 hour, this is how it looks like. It has really doubled in size very well. So now we're going to go ahead and fry our donuts very nicely, and make sure the oil is not very hot. This oil is not even hot, so make sure not to make your oil very hot, because immediately you drop your donut into hot oil, it is going to start to fry very easily, and we don't want that to happen at all. And one thing I did in this video, which I don't want you to repeat, is that make sure not to overcrowd your pot, okay? Because I really wanted to achieve the perfect round ring donut that I am looking for, but because I overcrowd the pots, it doubles in size in the oil, and this is what happened. As you can see, I wasn't having any space in between them, and I didn't want that at all, okay? So make sure not to overcrowd your pot. All right, so let's fry this until it turns into the perfect golden brown color that we all are looking for. Alright, so if today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. And to my new subscribers and old foodie members, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And so after frying this in the oil on medium heat for about 5 minutes, this is how it looks like. It came out so beautifully. And guys, if you don't want to buy bread again, then this donut recipe is best for you, because this tastes so good and I hope you're going to love it. Now look how soft, look how fluffy, and look how beautiful this donut recipe came out. Just let me know in the comment section what you think about this donut recipe. You can enjoy with any beverage or any porridge that you want to enjoy with this donut recipe. You are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoy it to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Kindly subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you for watching.